It's windy! It's windy!
Okay, good. Oh.
Oh my gosh! It's a whale! Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's. Hey everybody, it's windy. I don't even know what day it is, but we're out on the kayaks and it's super windy. We're dealing with between 15, 20 mile an hour sustained winds. Yeah, sustained winds from the northwest, which is nice because we like to work that way in the lake. But right now we're gonna work that way into the wind while we're full of energy, full of piss and vinegar. We got monster in us. And we're gonna go. So, with that being said, we're done. We're gonna get on the water. Push on chest. Let's go fish. Oh, baby. Let's go. Come on. Oh, we're in it. Oh, we're in it. We are going one arm. Oh, one arm. Oh, big swell. Waves. Waves on waves! Come on, pull me wave on wave. Paddling my kayak over. Going all across the lake. Gonna try and catch some fish. Woo! Yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's try and get some steam going here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're getting lots of water breaking over. John hadn't even left yet. I'm really kind of worried about John on this. Oh, big wave. Oh, big wave's coming again. I'm worried about John. Worried about John paddling over this. He is much lower to the water than I am. I really hope he didn't go in the water. That would suck so bad. Oh man, that would suck so bad. Oh yeah. Big waves. Big waves. 2 adjustments as in an external and internal braking system. So therefore, it has 3 adjustments, including the tension knob. Now stop dialing into the wind.
No, you're dialing to the wind, boys.
Don't do it for the people. You don't understand. It's about a 2-hour update. We've paddled through the wind, into the wind, and gone back to places that we don't normally fish. Really just trying to hit spots that the sun has hit a little bit more, hoping for some, warmer water, a little more activity. It has not paid off. Water's pretty shallow over here. The water is really up, but I was throwing this lipless and I was catching grass every time. I mean, it's ripping out of it pretty easy, but I'm gonna tie on a square bill just for something a little bit faster rising. Maybe a little slower profile. I don't know. I got plastic tied on, a little T-rig. Once we get back into the coves over there, I'm probably gonna tie a jig on if I don't get any bites on that, and then just work it really slow through it all. But I do have a Spro square bill tied on, but it is a slow rise, very slow rise, a little too slow for me. So, tie on a different one, maybe give it a little knock rather than a silent, and see what I can do. Retie is complete now. Flipless, the box back in the crate. John is all the way across over there. Let's go catch up. Let's catch some fish. Oh guys, this is sketchy. Sketchy indeed. Oh, this may be it. This may be it. You guys think I'm kidding about it being bad out here. If you can even hear me through the wind, look at the caps on this water. Capping. We were over there, then back through here. This is when it really kicked up. That's when that water was coming up over the side of my kayak. John's is full. I'm gonna pull this out of here. I mean, standing water, standing water. I don't think it's gonna happen today, guys. I do not think it's gonna happen, not here. Guys, look, we changed locations. Yaks just, I mean, that was a no-go. And the yaks at that lake today, I think it's kind of a no-go on the yaks period today. So now we're trying to beat the banks. Notoriously tough lake. Anybody from Oklahoma knows Haskell. If you don't know Haskell, then you know that it is notoriously tough. Just kind of hoping I'd work my way down here a little bit and get out of this vegetation, but I am in it. I mean, it is thick all the way back in here. We're gonna switch over to something weedless. So the ticket might be going to the other side. But I throw anyways. Ah! Get up here! Yes! Oh! Trusty, dusty rage bug and June bug. Oh man, sorry I didn't catch a strike, guys. It's a little windy.
That's Alex's this lake PB.
Yes.
Which is a tiny little fish, but we'll
this
take
lake
it.
PB. Woo! Yeah, buddy! Oh! Guys, just grinding today. Grinding. You see the wind, you hear the wind. Thank you. Obviously pretty hyped about that. Little insight to that is I was even saying to John that I don't think this is the spot, Chief. And he said, you know, let's work down. And I know there's a lot of grass down here. And I just tossed it and I was creeping it through all the grass. Slow strike, lazy strike. Got more with me. We're gonna get back in there and see if we can pick out some more. I think John's gonna switch to the same technique and hopefully we can get him on one too. Hey, full armor bass, and you see what reel I caught that fish on too? My 13, bye-bye. I wonder if I don't go down here a little bit further. Parkour! Try and parallel the banks a little bit more. Because if memory serves me correct, that one did hit me pretty close to the bank up in the grass. There's a good little rocky outcropping right there. Maybe they're stacked up by the rock. Trying to get some heat. Oh, yep. Oh, dang it! Ah! I was right though. Crap! I had one. I was right. Oh, rolling. It was right by that rock. I don't know if you guys saw him come up and bust. Ah, botched that hook set. Well, I'd say we missed our shot on that one. Parkour! Well, this is it. This is really it. This is really it. We're done. We're done. I can't say we didn't give it a solid effort today. We didn't get skunked. I didn't get skunked. You know, all in all, brutal conditions, at least for kayaking. Still got a fish. Still had a good time. Didn't give up, kept on fishing, got it freaking done. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. I appreciate every single one of you. I have a bunch of 2 pairs of scissors and a jerkbait in my hand. I'll see you next time we're on the water.